Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for ITI graduates. The name of the company is Southeast Central Railway. Now they released an advertisement for recruitment of ITI graduates. So engagement of apprentice training under the Act of 1961. So online application can be uploaded, can be seen their website between 4/5 to 3/6. So mainly those who are willing to work in Nagpur division can make the best use of it. So opportunity is given for fitter, carpenter, welder, electrician, wireman, diesel mechanic, machinist, turner, mason, cable joiner, stenographer. So almost 401 vacancies are there, and training period will be 1 year. So candidate should be completed 15 years of age and should not have completed 24 years of age as on 1/5/2022, and there will be some relaxation given for other category people. So the selection will be mainly basis on merit basis, and selected candidate have to join along with their ITI marks. So candidates, those who have chosen either Nagpur division or Motiba workshop, can given the preferences, and local candidate will be given more preferences. Regarding the training and stipend, the training will be regulated according to the standard and syllabus issued by Central Apprenticeship Council. The candidates undergoing training will be eligible for stipend, and medical fitness has to be done, and they have to clear that. Ex-servicemen will be given some preferences. So while you are coming, you have to bring all your relevant documents along with you during the time of interview for submission. The last date for acceptance of receipt of the application is between 4/5 to 3/6. So before that, you have to send through your courier, or you have to reach them in time. If you like this video, means kindly share the video to ITI graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.